Hi everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Stop, drop, and breathe. Fridays at 1. Going live on Instagram and Facebook today. Hope you can join. We're at the third eye today, so we're gonna go really deep inward. Not a lot of moving up and down today, so you can find a seated position if you want to join us today for Stop, Drop, and Breathe. This is going to be 15 minutes to breathe into our bodies, to breathe specifically into our third eye, and just learn a little bit about this energy center. We've been working our way up, and we've been just moving up the chakras all the way. We're almost at the top. So it's really about using the chakras as a symbol to ground down so you can root down to rise up. As below, so is above. And if you are like me and you're moving through growth and change and you want to strengthen your inner dialogue with yourself, then taking time to really breathe and understand grounding down is so important for you to rise up. If you imagine yourself as a tree and you're growing your branches and you're collecting fruit and it's getting heavier at the top, you have to really be able to root down. So here we are up here, we're getting closer to the top, our inner knowing, the space that is our inner wisdom, that we can see clearly and know exactly what we want. This is moving up into higher frequencies, our divine. Welcome, welcome everyone. Hi. If you're just joining me in either of the chats, say hi. And this is our third eye, so this is our intuition. Dina, ready to ground it. Yeah, well, we're actually going to be rising up into our third eye today. This is a really beautiful space. This is about I see clearly. I am open to inspiration. I trust my intuition. I experience clarity every day, and that I am the conscious creator of my life. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking today. I really want us to go inward. So you can find a comfortable position. And I'm going to invite you to really embrace the connected breath, which is in and out through the mouth. And this, we're going to just really spend a lot of time breathing here in, imagining, opening up our third eye, our space, wisdom, intuition, and inspiration. So get into a comfortable position. And first we'll just take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose just to settle in. In through the nose, closing your eyes, out through the nose. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And just begin to allow your body to relax, maybe rolling your shoulders back. As you breathe in, I'm wearing my purple today. This is the color of the third eye. Breathing in, feel the rise of that inhale, and as you exhale down, you allow yourself to just melt down. Yes, your intuition, third eye love, third eye opening. Just allowing yourself to now open to seeing what you may not be able to see. So we're going to begin to just breathe and melt away the Maya, the illusion that there is anything in the way for us to create what we want in our life. The only thing in the way is our belief that there is something in the way. Breathe in that, breathe out that. It's kind of that idea that if you say you can, you can. And if you say you can't, you can't. The only thing in the way is your mind. So let's go beyond the mind. Inhale. Exhale. Just begin to breathe in through your mouth. Out through your mouth. Just keep breathing. I'm not going to say in and out right all the whole time. So you follow your own rhythm in and out. Opening your mouth super wide, seeing if you need to stretch your neck around in a circle. Anything that you need to do to begin to calm and go inward. I really invite you to keep your eyes closed the whole time as you feel the breath expand yourself from the inside out. As you breathe in, your whole capacity to receive, and you open and expand to this edge of change, the edge of expansion. And as you exhale, you release out, emptying down and coming back in. And just finding your rhythm. Inhale into your third eye, moving it into that space of I always know. You can imagine this space in between your brow, breathing into it as if it's opening up a curtain so that you can see behind the curtain, so you can get a peek into the thing that is not always visible, but you know and feel. So let's breathe together. Inhale. Stay with the breath. Feel the rise of the inhale, the opening of your chest, and the release and melting, surrendering with the exhale. These are deep, long, juicy breaths in. Really allow yourself this luxury, this abundance, this time. This is stop and get present. Drop inward and breathe deep into your entire being, where all the answers always are. Inhaling and exhaling, and just stay with your own rhythm. And see if you can begin to deepen the breath, opening up just a little bit more, maybe even allowing your arms to move back, your chest to expose. Elongating the inhales. Luxuriating in the exhales. You can play with the different kinds of breath. I just experienced this other kind that very charges up. It's like a straw, and you breathe it in. Using your hands helps you open up your chest and your heart to expansion. It allows your third eye to gently rise up and tilt to the universe, to the sky, to the up energy. Coming back in, and you close, you come in, safety. Opening up, breathing in, expanding, opening your heart, your throat, we've already worked with. And now your eye, your third eye, welcoming in the wisdom, connecting to source energy. Everything we need is already here. We just must open to it. Open up, breathing in, expanding. Yes. Now is such a great time in our world for what's going on, for you to stay connected to source, to the universe, to the oneness, to the universal truth. oneness, truth. Inhale, exhale. Thank you, Susan. I love it too. I'm in my cosmic forest. Inhale. And just slowing things down. Slowing things down is when you can begin to listen in. Stay with the breath. So I'm going to just breathe with you for a few minutes without talking. So let's all keep a rhythm. You can stay with my rhythm or do your own. As you breathe in, bring your attention to your third eye. You're bringing your eyes in and up. Just focusing on that space, maybe seeing a color that appears. Paying attention to light. Inhaling as you move your eyes in and up to your third eye. Asking, please guide me and show me the clear path ahead. Allow me to see clearly my mission, my purpose here in this physical body. Open to receiving, listening. It's already here. I allow myself to see the truth. I trust my intuition. Inhaling violet flames, the purple energy, the connection to source, to wisdom, to universe, to truth, to the oneness, to the duality that leads us back to oneness. Some of these are abstract cosmic ideas. But when we begin to realize that there is nothing in the way except the idea that there is something in the way, we open to the everything and nothing. We become the creators, the conscious creators of our lives, moving through emotion instead of attaching to it. We realize that attachment is what causes the suffering. Deepen the breath, because as you breathe, you expand into possibilities and opportunities. Inhaling, exhaling. We have worked our way up through the grounded energy, the creative energy, the powerful energy, the love energy, the expression and emotions, all to this moment here. The third eye, the all-seeing, all-knowing, intuitive place of our body. Just allowing yourself to fully go in. And as we take our final deep breaths here, really, really opening up, I want you to just draw to mind a word that you would like to carry on, to take with you, that your third eye, this place of wisdom, has brought you. What is the gift and the message? You can share it in the chat windows if you are available. You can, when you decide to open your eyes, just bringing the word. Hi, Randy. What is the word that your intuition is bringing to you that you need right now in your life? Mine that came to me is simplicity. Actually, it really makes me emotional thinking about that. Focus, I love that. It's so simple. So simple. I'm tired of complicating things. Well, thank you for joining me today for Stop, Drop, and Breathe every Friday at 1 o'clock. We're going to be finishing the chakra series with the crown. Hugs. Oh, yes. You're welcome, Susan. We're going to be finishing with the crown chakra, where we're going to really just bring up all this energy and just seal it up, and then continue on connecting to Source. You're welcome, Annie. Thank you for being here. And of course, if anybody wants to learn more about the Rise program that I have coming up, I'm so excited about it. It's a 90-day program where we just take things like this deeper, and we run through an entire series of getting to know who you are, how your mind works, how you move through change. It's a program for self-mastery. Self-mastery is about getting in touch with your breath and navigating your mind so you can metamorphize. All right, everyone, take deep breaths in. Stay connected. Reach out if you need anything. I'm available for phone calls, for virtual hugs and tea. And I love you, and you always know. Bye.